Hi, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sort data in Excel based on color. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the data. Here I have a spreadsheet showing an inventory of toys in a store. The names of the toys are color-coded. Red means out of stock, yellow means low stock, and green means a good amount in stock. This works well visually, but what if I want to organize the spreadsheet so that in-stock products are at the top, low-stock products are in the middle, out-of-stock products are at the bottom? Step 2. Sorting by cell color. Click anywhere in the column with the color coding. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. In the Sort and Filter group, click Sort. A Sort dialog box opens. Under Sort By, choose the column with your colors. In this case, the name column. Under Sort On, select cell color instead of the usual cell values. Under Order, choose which color you want on top. I'll choose green for in-stock items. Step 3. Adding additional levels. Since I have 3 colors, I want to make sure all of them are sorted correctly. Click Add Level. Choose the name column again and cell color. Select yellow. Keep it on top for now. Excel will place it after green because of the first sort level. Optionally, add a third level for red, and this time choose On Bottom. Click OK, and your spreadsheet is now sorted by color. Green at the top, yellow in the middle, red at the bottom. Step 4. Sorting by font color, optional. You can also sort based on font color instead of cell color. Go to the Home tab, change the text color if needed. Then use the Sort dialog to sort by font color instead of cell color. This is a lesser-known but powerful way to organize your data visually in Excel. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video.